Hi guys, I'm back with another quick review on rolling in cash. Alright, so this is again a very simple method which I am putting into practice and I'm seeing daily results. Alright, let me show you what exactly the sales page looks all about. Alright, so you would see that there is a sales page which always shows you like the exact system that gets you to $40 per day in PayPal constantly for the last 4 years. Okay, so you can see over here these are the products rolling in cash, and there is again two bonuses which has been given just for not even for $5. All right, so here Mikhail explains about his methods on how he got from nowhere to uh, already is making anywhere between $250 every single day on PayPal just by putting this method into practice. All right, so this is again what he's introduced a front-end offer as an PDF which quietly explains about this method into a very pictorial format. Earlier, when I'm actually a person who actually watch the videos and do it as it stays. But however, I just wanted to see this product and um, test this product. So I just bought this product and wanted to test it, and it was a pretty quite impressive modules, because you can see there are 8 modules which is being explained in a very pictorial way, which you can actually, when you're watching videos, sometimes you feel bored. All right, so but with this pictorial representation, actually within 20 minutes I have put into the practice, and now I'm just getting results. All right, though it is not really very big results, for the start off you would definitely make somewhere between $15 to $20 to $50 every single day just putting into practice into this methods. All right, you could see, and just scrolling it down, how he has made his PayPal flourishing anywhere between $20 to $25,000 in a month. All right, and it has been constantly showing his PayPal. So why it is working? Because it is not at all that you need to create a product or not any connecting with your friends, or not you don't require any technical skills, and at the same time you don't need to write any sales copy, which definitely costs you anywhere between $150 to $200 per sales copy. You don't need to launch even a product, or even if there is no requirement in for you to buy a Facebook ads or a Bing ads or anything as in such. Okay, you don't even need to recruit anybody. You don't need to provide any customer support, which is important because everything is taken care from the company. And you don't even need to spend your useless time in front of long boring webinars. All right, so sometimes a webinar becomes really very 3 to 4 hours long, really wasting your time. So again, over here, as you are a beginner, what exactly you would want to do when you make anywhere between $200? Okay, either you buy a car or pay your rent or travel in a very exotic locations, and if you have any debts, you can even clear about it, and definitely you can make your uh, love life really more. Definitely you can make it more interesting. So this module, what exactly this module includes? All right, so it has a complete 7 modules which I've already showed you, and it's a training method where you can definitely make anywhere between $200. Once you put into practice, then definitely you can make this amount in a day. And it's a total of 40 pages of solid content and images, as I shared with you. It's a pictorial presentation. It's very easy to understand how you need to do it. All right, so it includes even how to multiply your leads and sales. All right, so whatever leads or whatever traffic methods you're following, or whatever leads you have, you can multiply those, making it a whole lot of easier to get your ROI on a traffic you buy or any generates. All right, the tricks to make this copy and paste easy so you can start caching it right away within 30 to 35 minutes. Let me show you after you buy this product what exactly you get into this access. You get a PDF format over here. Along with that, you even get a as promised, you even get a 2 PDF as a bonuses. Alright, so you can see here there's a PDF which you can download it, and if you want to buy a video edition, then it costs you a little upsells. But again, with the video edition, some people are not really interested with the PDF, but they would definitely like the videos. So even you have an upsells of the videos, if you want, you can buy it. Along with that, you can put into practice. Alright, so we do have as I shared with you, this product is for just not even for $5, and every sale there is a dime sale. So every sale, even one copy increases, even the price increases. So it's better you grab this copy as quick as possible, along with my special bonuses, which I would be showing you at the end. Alright, so as soon as you do it, it gets about 2 products, which is one product talks about the refund request crusher with the paper, and the other product is with NLP sales generator. Alright, so along with that, you have an Auto O1. The price ranges between $27, which is a video edition of whatever you are getting in the pictorial presentations. Alright, so and it also comes along with the bonuses which comes with the PLR licenses, which is most interesting. Alright, and the second O2O and third is nothing but a coaching program which is priced very less. It's somewhere between $47. Usually the coaching program usually starts either with $297, which goes up to $2,000, but I believe the pricing over here is definitely a very cheap. So I would definitely suggest you to get into the coaching program, and at the same time, it's what you get with the coaching program is an exact software and automation tools that he uses in his business to speed up things, and there are very best offers which you can select, and then you can promote them, and a very simple trick you can use to get paid instant commissions into your PayPal account, even if you are a complete newbie. Alright, so this is how it could be. Any niche you get leads for all the niches. Alright, so this is one of the important aspects which you need to consider, and definitely you can see over here there is no downsells. Okay, so every time a sale is made, the prices goes up. Lock into your discount now, or you will be paying a lot more as for those later. Alright, so this is one of the best product I would recommend for you to buy, because once you implement the same method that generates more than $200 a day for the last 4 years, okay, get all you need to know to how to multiply your leads and making it a lot easier, and the tricks to make this copy and paste system easy so you can start caching it right away by applying the methods. Alright, so you need to understand why it is important, because earlier you have a lot of traffics, but at the same time you don't have a proper methods which generates you a lot more of sales. So I would definitely suggest you to get into rolling in cash method, and grab this opportunity, and along with it you have a bonuses which I am giving it away, which again is definitely a different kind of bonuses which I'm giving you. So you need to once you buy this, you would get all my bonuses delivered to you to your email. Alright, so thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel and follow the trainings. Thank you.